EPS-cement light partition panel equipment. Machining shop. Semi-finished product storage workshop. Molding car. Lightweight partition wallboard has the advantages of lightweight, environmental protection, low cost. Lightweight partition wallboard has the advantages of lightweight, environmental protection, low cost. It is widely used in the construction industry. The lightweight partition wallboard equipment is composed of mixing system and mold forming system. The mixing system includes automatic feeding, automatic metering, mixer, pouring hopper, etc. The mold forming system includes forming main machine and automatic board-out palletizing machine, etc. Storage hopper. It is used to store fly ash, cement and other raw materials.
This is screw conveyor. It is used to transport raw materials to the metering silo.
Metering system. The metering scale measures the powder and water with process weight and send them to the mix. This is mixer machine. It can mix all raw materials evenly. We use a double shaft mixer which can mix more evenly. This is the mold car. Move the mold car to the pouring area. Forming host production of solid board, sandwich board, multi-purpose machine. Adjustable thickness 50 to 200 mm can be produced. The pumping system will pour the evenly mixed slurry into the mold car. After natural curing about 6 hours in the workshop, then mold open, board out and board stacking. This is fully automatic board palletizing machine. Pull the finished board out of the mold car and stack it automatically.